And hey guys, I'm over at the Riverside Resort today, and I'm at the Magnolia Terrace, and I'm making my way back to one of the other pools they have here. And just remember, they do have 5 pools on property. This is the Magnolia section. So when you guys are walking around a big loop that goes all the way around the Riverside Resort, anytime you guys see these big old white canopies right there, there's 2 of them. That's where the pools are. Look in, you'll kind of see the umbrellas anyway, but they're set back a little bit. So if you guys want to see the pool, just when you're walking around the trail, walk right over, make your way in. And it gives you a little bit of shade, not much because they're wide open on top, but you do got a little overhead shade. You got a little bit of shade around the edges with the trees, but as you can see, it's not really reflecting into the pool that way. So you are a wide open pool. You got to take that into consideration. Your chairs are kind of shaded off, which is nice. You got a little bit of shade there, but these are open pools. Now this is technically, it is one of them, you know, if you don't want to go to the big pool, the big theme pool, you guys can go over here and use the smaller ones. They're all about 3 to 5 feet deep. They've got the pool houses in the back, and they're pretty much just there for decor. They're not really anything special. But here's a look at the pool. It is smaller. You can tell right now the numbers are down. It is in the October season right now, guys. So there are less people right now. As Christmas gets near, these are going to start getting a little busier, I think. But Disney's on the right now with the raising all the prices, so I'm not really sure that's going to affect the people coming in. I think they're going to be slowing down a little bit just because of the holidays, and they're getting a little out of control of what they're charging for everything. So hopefully in the end they get a little smarter, drop the pricing down to start bringing people in, because they're selling half the amount of things right now, making their money, and it's cutting the people down by half. So I noticed the numbers have been down for quite a while. But this is a smaller, you know, option if you guys don't want to go into the big pool that's over here. It's got, you know, you've got ample seating and stuff like that. Smaller pool, so you're not going to have that many people anyway. It's a fun pool. We do like to come out when we're at the different resorts. We actually like to come into these smaller pools a lot just because you can swim out there. Most of them you can't swim at. These you can. And if you guys do need the mobility lift stuff, they do have the lifts. These are the canopies. You can see they're wide open, so they don't really do a lot for you, but they give you a little bit of shade. But here's a look back at the pool one more time. It's a decent sized pool. They've got 2 of these, and then they've got 2 other pools over in the Alligator Bayou section. So this is just one more option of the pools. We've been getting a lot of people asking us to get out here and shoot the little pools. This is one of them. And we will catch you guys on the next one.